Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be answering some of your questions about the pet age break machine. And the first question I am able to answer is, does the age go back to 0? No, it doesn't. It starts from 101 once you've used this. And the second one, I haven't tested it yet, but does the mutation go away from the pet if you use this machine? So I'm going to submit my snake, which has the luminous mutation, and I'm just going to submit my pet here. And I'm just going to select my other dupe and press submit. And okay, I'm just going to press confirm here. And then I will be right back with the results. Don't worry, no part twos. I'll be right back. Okay, so I am going to claim my pet and let's see if I'm able to answer your questions. So again, it's not going to start over from the age of 0. And let's see if it still has the mutation. It still does. So it won't delete your mutation and it won't reset your pet's age back to 0. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!